Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Arm & Hammer detergent is probably one of the most trusted and effective laundry solutions available, offering a powerful clean that tackles tough stains while being gentle on fabrics and your wallet. With its iconic baking soda formula, this detergent is renowned for its ability to deodorize and brighten clothes, leaving them smelling fresh and looking vibrant after every wash. Whether you're dealing with everyday grime or stubborn, set-in stains, Arm & Hammer provides a reliable and economical choice for maintaining your laundry's pristine condition. Number 5. Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin-Free and Clear Laundry Detergent. Introducing Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin-Free and Clear. It's designed to provide a powerful clean while being gentle on your skin. This detergent is formulated to be free of dyes and perfumes. It's the perfect choice for those who need a milder option for their laundry. With 100 loads in every bottle, you'll have plenty of detergent to keep your clothes fresh. It offers great value and effective cleaning. Don't let its gentle nature fool you. This detergent is tough on stains, lifting dirt and grime with every wash. The generous 150 fluid ounces size ensures you won't be running out anytime soon. Enjoy a clean and comfortable laundry experience. It has been dermatologist tested, giving you peace of mind. You can trust it to care for your family's sensitive skin. What we like? This option is designed for ultimate gentleness. It's dermatologist tested and free from dyes and perfumes, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or allergies. If you have delicate skin or are prone to irritation, this is the detergent for you. What people say. This detergent has a great scent and it cleans clothes well. I love how this detergent leaves my clothes smelling fresh and clean. The detergent is effective at removing stains and leaves clothes looking bright. Number 4. Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean Odor Blasters Fresh Burst Liquid Laundry Detergent. Experience the ultimate clean with the new Fresh Burst Liquid Laundry Detergent. It's designed to tackle tough odors and leave your clothes smelling amazing. Our advanced Odor Blasters technology eliminates even the most stubborn smells. Say goodbye to lingering odors and hello to lasting freshness. Infused with the power of OxiClean, this detergent provides a superior clean. It lifts stains and brightens fabrics for a noticeable difference. Get up to 77 loads of powerful cleaning from just one bottle. This generous size ensures you have plenty of detergent for all your laundry needs. Enjoy the invigorating fresh burst scent that leaves your laundry smelling delightful. It's a refreshing aroma that lasts long after the wash. This is the complete solution for your laundry. It combines powerful cleaning, odor elimination, and a fantastic scent for a truly exceptional wash. What we like? Experience a powerful clean that tackles tough odors. With OxiClean technology, it blasts away smells and leaves clothes smelling incredibly fresh. If you deal with persistent odors from sports, pets, or work, this is your go-to solution. What people say. It has a clean scent and it works well. This detergent gets clothes clean and removes stains. Number 3. Arm & Hammer Clean Burst Laundry Detergent. Experience the deep cleaning power of this laundry detergent. It effectively tackles tough stains and leaves your clothes looking and smelling fresh. Enjoy a burst of clean fragrance with every wash. This detergent provides long-lasting freshness that keeps your laundry smelling great for days. Get more value with this convenient 2-pack. It ensures you have plenty of detergent on hand for all your laundry needs, offering 170 loads of cleaning power. Our advanced formula is designed to be tough on dirt and stains, yet gentle on your fabrics. It protects your clothes while delivering a superior clean. Make laundry day easier and more effective. This detergent helps brighten your clothes, making them look vibrant and new after every wash. What we like? Get more washes for your money with this large value pack. It offers a deep clean for all your laundry needs, ensuring your clothes come out fresh and bright. If you have a large family or do a lot of laundry, this economical choice is perfect. What people say. This detergent is great for sensitive skin. It has a good scent and cleans clothes well. I love that it is a concentrated formula, so a little goes a long way. Number 2. Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean 5-in-1 Power Paks. Introducing the ultimate laundry solution. Experience the power of 5 cleaning actions in one convenient pack. Tired of lingering odors? Our advanced odor blasters technology eliminates tough smells, leaving your clothes refreshingly clean. Harness the stain-fighting might of OxiClean. It tackles even the most stubborn stains, restoring brilliance to your fabrics. Simply toss one pack into your wash. It dissolves completely, delivering a powerful clean without any hassle. Achieve a superior clean with every load. Enjoy brighter whites, vibrant colors, and a scent that truly lasts. Get the value you deserve with this 24-count pack. It's the perfect way to keep your laundry routine simple and effective. What we like? Simplify your laundry routine with these powerful packs. They combine 5 cleaning actions, including superior odor elimination, in one convenient dose. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, effective solution for tough stains and odors, these packs are a great choice. What people say. This detergent has a great scent and leaves clothes smelling fresh. It works well on tough stains and leaves laundry looking clean. The detergent is effective in both hot and cold water, making it versatile for different wash cycles. Number 1. Arm Hammer Professional Powder Laundry Detergent, Crisp Clean. Introducing Arm Hammer Professional Powder Laundry Detergent. It's designed for tough cleaning jobs, ensuring a crisp, clean finish every time. Experience the refreshing crisp clean scent that leaves your laundry smelling great. This formula tackles dirt and grime effectively. This 18-pound pail offers exceptional value and convenience for professional use. It provides enough detergent for up to 290 loads. Our powerful powder formula is tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. It's the professional choice for superior laundry care. Rely on the trusted quality of Arm & Hammer for your laundry needs. This detergent delivers consistent, high-performance results. What we like? This professional-grade powder detergent comes in a large pail for maximum value. It delivers a crisp, clean finish to your laundry, handling large volumes with ease. If you manage laundry for a business, a large household, or simply want a bulk, powerful option, this is it. What people say. This detergent has a great scent and it cleans clothes well. I love how this detergent gets my whites really white and my colors bright. It is a good value for the money and it works great on tough stains. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.